호텔 구경. 봐봐. 오. Hecka dark. Now it's a video. Look at the fish.
Get in there.
Look at the tree. Pose.
Perfect.
There you go.
With that kind of weather.
We needed Oma and Opa pictures, right?
Yeah, that'd be perfect for that.
Darth Vader chilling here. Olaf in the corner. 여러분, 봐봐요. 어디 왔을까요? 호호호. 봐봐요. 와. Look at that. Oh. 와. 평화는 여기 있다. 딱 여기 있다. 그쵸? 그치? 우리 올라가고 있습니다. 이쪽. 와우! 대박! Sup, Pops? 여동생들, 아버지, 바다. 우와. 여기 딱 시원해요. 네, 문제는 내려가는 거예요. 니들. Okay. 문제가 있다. water 올라오고 있어요. 메리 크리스마스 썼는데 여기 썼는데 없어졌어요. What do you do?
It's like faces in the rock.
I'm waiting till it gets wet. You know what? You know what he's doing? He's taking pictures of the rocks because he says there's faces in the rocks. He's going back, and then she's leaving. Someone's got attitude. 적고 있어. Fat seagull right there. Dad, what'd you think of the beach visit today?
Nice. You're like,
진짜 예쁘다. Where are we going?
We're going to we're going to the beach in Crescent City.
Oh
We
yeah.
are uncomfortably filmed. I like it.
Taking a picture. More scenic views. 예쁜 구경들. And that. 와. Was machst du? 여동생? 아버지. Alicia. The dog. here, breathe.
She's nervous and cold.
Oh my gosh. It's from Men in Black.
Better than
I don't know about that. Hey Dad, what you doing? 와이파이, 초코파이, 애플파이 구독해주세요.
Ooh, like LeBron though, or like Lonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't